Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Lucas Green with Blueprint Capital Trading and Investing. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it, right? 6K to 100K. What a play. And I'll show y'all the profits right now. It's crazy, you know? I knew it was going to happen. I just didn't know when, right? I've been doing this since 2017, so I knew what was bound to happen. I just didn't know when. And this type of play is like every trader's dream, to 20x your initial investment, right? That's lit. I'm hyped about it. And there's even more potential for that profit to increase even higher. And I'll explain to you guys how. But before we jump into it, I want to tell you how crazy like God works and how like the world works, how opportunities just present itself, you just kind of got to trust your gut and, make the play, be confident in everything that you do and, collect the bag, secure the bag. And this is exactly how this happened. That 6K that I threw into Doge, I was actually going to invest into an ATM company, right? The deal never went through. It was horrible terms. I wasn't going to see profit for like 3 years. So I was like, nah, I could turn that 6K into at least 20, 30K in crypto in this year alone. Why would I invest 6K in a business that I'm never going to see profit in for a while? Like, nah, that's not how I rock. I got to see instant profits. If I ain't seeing instant profits, I can't do business with you, right? So anyway, if I did not have that 6K ready for the ATMs, I would not have this 6K ready for Doge, That 6K was just sitting, and I was like, bet. I saw the Doge play happening. I was like, oh yeah, I'm throwing that thing in Doge. Let's make some bread, And I was actually looking to at least make 25,000, like to exit in this zone up here. But, things change and now it's up 100K. But let's go back to the beginning of what I saw. It's the same thing I'm always showing you guys. Simple break and retest type strategy, right? So we have consolidation down here in this zone. And these two candles, blue candles, daily candles that just took off to the upside, that was a bullish confirmation that, okay, there's a high probability that price is going to continue to the upside, right? But instead of getting in up here, like a lot of people did, they got stuck in buys at the top. And then once price dropped, they were pissed, because they thought, oh, if I keep buying here, it's going to keep going up. No, you have to be patient. Patience, guys. Like, this is literally how you become a successful trader, is patience. Patience and wait for the perfect setup with the high risk to reward ratios. And so basically that's what I did. I waited for price to come back down in my two zones. We have a 0.236 reversal zone, and we also have a 0.764 zone that symbolizes basically the bottom. So I knew that if we respect this 0.764 zone, that I just have to look for candle confirmation back to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. Once we had a candle confirmation in the 0.236 zone, it symbolized that, hey, this is time for a reversal. Price was going down. Now it's time to reverse back up. And that is clearly exactly what it did. I ended up getting in around, I think it was 2.5 cents, with very little drawdown. Like, I was not in the negative at all. And I show you guys in the Telegram chat all the time that we are never in drawdown. Sometimes we are, but most of the time it's instant profits. And that just comes with being a patient and disciplined trader, right? So once I saw price breaking out again, I knew there was a high probability that we were going to go test 11-cent range. And my idea was to get out completely because there's no significant value behind Doge. It was just a play to make money. I saw what market structure was doing and I took advantage of it, right? So let's just look at exactly what happened. So once price broke these levels, I was like, you know what? We're just going to risk it for the biscuit. We're going to hold it. and you know, it worked out really well. Let's say here. Okay. So if you understand quarters theory, I know for a fact that once we blow past 25 cents, there's a high probability that price can go to 50 cents. And once I saw this red candle come back down to the 25-cent range, I automatically knew, nah, we're good. A lot of people sold here in this zone, but nah, we held it tough. We, you know, diamond hands, you know what I'm saying? Once you understand your strategy and you perfect it, you know, you're never second guessing yourself. You know, you might be presented with a bunch of decisions and opportunities, but you'll never second guess your decision, right? So once price respected the 25-cent range, diamond hands were holding, and now we're up here in the 41-cent range, clearing over $100,000. It's literally that simple, guys. You just have to be patient, understand your trading methodology, and just take the risk, take the chance. You know, I take all the chances I can, especially if I know I'm going to be right. You know, I don't take big risk with trading at all. Like if it looks too risky, I just sit back and chill and wait for the next opportunity. So again, I mean, and let's see how long this took. This didn't even took what? Let's see. 74 days, about 2 months. Easy. 2 months to make 100K. I'm down for it. And there's potential that this 100K can easily turn into about 200,000. We just kind of got to be patient and see what Doge does. My idea is that we probably come back down here to create more of a market structure. You know, we do something like that. Wow, man. I'm sorry, guys. My internet's trash today. So this is what we get, you know. Wow, again. All right, so we're back. So my idea would be we come back down here, test 25 cents, create some type of market structure in this zone, maybe something like that, and then we take off to the next leg. I'm targeting 75-cent range, to be honest. A lot of people is expecting $1, but you know, if you want to take profits and not get stuck when price drops, you know, it would be smart to take profits around the 75-cent range to the 90-cent range. It's not always good to wait, you know, where majority is waiting. Like our social media, Twitter, everybody's waiting for $1. So, you know, it might not hit $1. It might hit like 90 cents and just drop like a rock. So you guys got to be very, very careful with Doge right now. There's a lot of hype. There's a lot of media behind it. And with all that, you got to look out for fake outs. Like there's a bunch of fake outs that's going to happen, and it's going to get a lot of people clapped. They're going to lose a lot of money trading Doge if you're not patient. If you're just going with what the media is telling you, you better be careful. All right. So that's why I always preach technical analysis, because the charts don't lie to you. The charts aren't giving you a bunch of options. They're not telling you this. They're not telling you that. It's telling you one thing. It is what it is. And you make your decision based off of technicals. So yeah, guys. I'm going to end it right here because my internet is tripping. And that was the play. I mean, easy 100K play. All it requires you is to be disciplined and patient and understand your trading methodology. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope y'all are paying attention, learning. If y'all have questions, always feel free to reach out to me. I'll always give y'all the best answers that I can, that I know of, at least, to your questions. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.